Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start Unit 6 Staffing. After planning and organizing everything, there is a need of staffing. Staffing means finding right person for the right job. This is very important function of management. Staffing is a managerial function which involves filling and keeping filled the post with people in the organization. So staffing nowadays very important function of management. It is very essential because of the rapid advancement in the technology, increase in the size of business organization, and because of the complicated behavior of employees. Need of staffing is increasing day by day. So today we are going to discuss importance of staffing. Importance of staffing will be clear to you all with the help of the following points. I am discussing with you to see the first importance, that is filling the roles by obtaining competent personnel. So first importance of staffing is that through staffing only vacant posts are filled through competent personnel. Because if posts are vacant in the organization, no work can be performed. So with the help of staffing, efficient persons are appointed on the vacant post with the help of interviews and written tests. So first importance is filling the roles by obtaining competent and efficient staff. Second importance of staffing is higher performance. Through staffing, right person is appointed at the right post. Persons are appointed according to their qualifications and skill. And if right person is appointed at the right post, then only the person is able to give his best performance. And it results in higher productivity, higher performance in the organization. For example, there is a vacancy of clerk in the organization, and a person who is very much expert in production activity, that person is appointed at the post of clerk. Then that person will not be able to give his good performance because he don't know the work of clerk. In this way, if a person is appointed according to the abilities and skills, or you can say if right person is appointed at the right post, then only higher performance can be given by the employee, and this is possible under staffing. Next importance is continuous survival and growth. Growth and survival of a organization is dependent upon the competencies and efficiencies of the employees. If right person are appointed, competent and efficient staff is appointed, then then it will result in continuous survival and growth of the organization. Next is optimum utilization of human resources. Through staffing, number of employees are estimated, that how many employees are to be appointed in the organization. Then same number of employees are appointed. There is no overstaffing and no understaffing in the staffing function of management. Suppose staffing is not done properly and there is overstaffing. Overstaffing means more employees are appointed than requirement. Then they will sit idle, they will waste their time because our requirement is less, more are appointed. And if understaffing is there, means less number of employees are appointed than the requirement, then our work will not be completed. Then through appropriate staffing, right number of employees are calculated and they are appointed. In this way, it results in fuller utilization of human resources. Next is improves job satisfaction and morale of employees. Understaffing, first of all, right person is appointed at the right post, as well as good compensation and increments are given under staffing. which results in job satisfaction as well as increase in the morale. Morale means self-confidence. If a person is getting job according to his qualification as well as good salaries and increments the person is getting, it will result in increase in the confidence level also. So here student, importance of staffing is over. I hope the meaning of staffing, that is finding right person for right job, is clear to all of you. And then importance we have studied, like filling the roles by obtaining competent personnel, higher performance by appointing right person at the right job, continuous survival and growth is possible through efficient staff, optimum utilization of human resources is possible if right number of employees are appointed, no overstaffing is there, no understaffing is there, and last is improve job satisfaction and morale by giving the job according to qualifications and skills. I hope all the importance are also clear to all of you. Even then, students, if you have any doubt in this topic, you can discuss with me. Thank you, students.